guys, welcome back to my channel, Candy Perler Fairy. So it's almost the end of the October, so that means Halloween is coming. I'm so excited because I already got my costume ready. I'm going to trick-or-treat and party. So you can take a guess what my costume is gonna be. I'm gonna show it when the time comes. But I wonder what your costume is gonna be to go trick-or-treating and the party. So comment down below so we can all see it. So for this Halloween, I created this one, the new 3D perler. I'm gonna show you how to make this one today, so I hope you're gonna like this one. Super cute. So we got Pikachu on the top, and then we have Kirby in the center, and then we have the pumpkin, the Halloween pumpkin. A little scary, still cute, right? So at the bottom, and also you can insert like a little LED light at the in the center, so that it can light up like this. Super cute, right? So one more special thing about this new 3D perler is that it can change on the top. So something special about this Pikachu, let me show you guys. Why did I do that? It's because I also created the little purple head. Isn't it cute? For Kirby. So if you don't want to make the Pikachu, or you also want to make this one, you can also do that. And then this fits like this. I think it's easier if I just take out the top piece and insert it this way. Yep, just like so. And I'm gonna place it back to Kirby's head. Isn't he cute? Super cute. So it fits him perfect, and I honestly love the light in here. So it will be a great gift, or just make it for yourself for the Halloween. And you can also make the Pikachu. It's up to you. I'm gonna show it all how to make this whole thing together today. So also previously I showed you guys this pencil. So this one, previously I showed you guys the Pikachu. Super cute Pikachu right here, and also the pencil, or like the pen holder. So now I already finished with the pattern, and you can get my pattern on Etsy, my Etsy store, or also you can go to my Beacon link, where you can also purchase the pattern to build this cutie. So it's super cute, and I hope you support my art as well. So before we start our tutorial today, I want to thank you everyone who's watching this video, and also subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much for your love and support for my little channel here. Because of you, I continue to create more 3D perlers and tutorial, so you guys can make cute things that you like. And if you enjoy my video, please give me a thumbs up and share with your friends who will like to make 3D perlers as well. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel, make sure you do so by clicking the button and the bell, so you won't miss any awesome tutorials. And also I want to thank you those who gave me super thanks and also purchased my pattern, because it really helps me a lot with my channel and my artwork. Alright, so let's get started today. Yay!
If you haven't subscribed my channel, please do so by clicking the button and hit the bell, so you will get alert for new videos.
Alright, let's get started. So lay your pieces like this so it's easier to follow. And then we're going to start with this piece right here. And then let's pick up the side piece. So we're not going to like this back, so it's going to be right here. So let's slide it through. Looking good. And then this one on the other side, the same thing. Alright, so we got it in. And then let's go to this one. It's going to be in the front. Also slide it to this one right here, and then go to here on this side. So take your time, because if you just iron the piece, sometimes it's easier to break. Alright, so we got it done, and let's try to the bottom. So we got it like this, and then this one will go to the bottom. So let's flip it to the bottom like this. So we got it right here. Slide it through. And then right here. Alright, so we're gonna use this piece right here. Let me see. So it should be right here, I believe. I hope I got it right. Yeah, so it's gonna look like this. All right, so let's build from the back. So this one is gonna go in from here. So if I'm going too fast, you know, you can pause and go at your own pace. And then this one, you're gonna add it onto the top. And then this one will be last right here. But it might be loose right now. So let's leave it for a little bit later. And then let's work on this one onto the top. So onto the top, it will be here. Going this way to cover it. Yep. So I'm gonna leave the front open for now so it's easier to build to the side. And then this one we can pop it to the back already. So, yep, looking good. All right, so let's work on to the side. So we're gonna use these two connectors. As you can see, I can put my fingers in to hold it like this way. So let's add these two pieces right here. And then we're gonna add, let me see. Okay, so we're gonna add this piece. So also taking my time because I want to make sure everything goes right. This one is not doing so well. Okay, so sometimes we just need some tools right here. Yeah, then it worked. Yep, looking good. And then this piece go right here, and then last piece onto the top. Yay, so we got one side done. Let's work on the other side. So again, two connectors right here. And then, okay, finally got it in. All right, so this one will be right here. And I need the tools again. All right, and then we're gonna add this piece over here. I know this one is not that easy. Oops, something just broke, but that's okay. All right, oh, this piece right here broke, but let's cover this with this. All right, so we got it done. So let's go to the face. So this one will just go right here. It's even top and bottom, so that's good. And then this one, I'm just gonna add this one right here for the face. And then adding this one onto the top. Looking good. And then just slide it in, if we can. Yeah, use a little tools. Yay! All right, so we got the pumpkin ready. So let's work on the other two. Alright, let's get started with Kirby. So we're gonna build the rectangles to start like we always do. Alright, let's use this one and then let's connect with this one. And then let's go with the front right here. And then this one will go to the back. Yep. Alright, so hold it tight. So we're gonna have it this way. And then we're gonna use this one. So this is gonna be facing the front. So let's insert it right here. Oops, so that one fell out. All right, so let's put it back. All right, so now we have the base. So we can build from every direction. So let's put this onto the top. So this one would land it this way. This one should be pretty easy. And then let's add this one over here. So slide it in, because I put it now. So okay, still work. All right, looking good.
And then let's do the side pieces. Let me see. So the side pieces, we're gonna use this one first. So slide it in, and we're gonna add this one onto the top. Yep, looking good. And then we're gonna use this little tiny one to go through here. And then we're gonna add this right here. All right, one more for this side. So find the side that is more flat. All right, looking good. So let's work on the other side again. So let's move all these beads over here. So this one goes in first. And then we're gonna use this one, connect right here for the arm. Oops, all the way in. All right, so this one go through the center. Oops, didn't work here. All right, looking good. And then this one, just slide it in. And then this one, we'll add it to right here. Yay, we're almost done. All right, so adding the face. And then this one will go on to the top. Just like so. Yay, we got it done. So let's add it to the pumpkin and see how it looks. Yep, so like this, and then you can see the holes and just slide it through. Yay, so now we have Kirby onto the pumpkin. So let's add the hat first. All right, let's build the hat for Kirby. All right, so let's use this one to start. Okay, so let's add these. So it's always easier if you lay your pieces like the same layout as I put it. So, all right, so we got the size right here, looking good. And then we're gonna add this one. I hope this is right. No. Yeah, to the back right here. And then we're gonna add this one to the front. Yep, looking good. And then let's add this one right here. And then we're gonna add this one onto the top. I hope I remember it right. All right, and then this one, we're gonna go right here. Let's see. So let's go in this one first. And then go here. And then, so this one will go from here all the way down. I think we got it. Oh, you know what? Okay, so from here, we're gonna add this all the way down. Yep, looking good. Let me see, so this one, yeah, so this one pop up a little bit. Okay, and then this one should go to the bottom. Messed up earlier. All right, so now it looks even. So let's add it to Kirby's head. So from here, I normally take out the top because that's easier. So from here, I'll just add it like this. And then once it's sitting good, then it's easier to put it on. Yep, looking good. Yay, look at how cute is Kirby with the hat, right? All right, let's move on to the Pikachu if you're interested. All right, let's get started with the Pikachu. So from here, I'm gonna build the side pieces first, so we can combine all the sides. All right, so from here, use a connector, and then adding pieces onto the top. All right, so we're done on one side, and then let's work on the other side. So from here, adding layers onto the top. All right, looking perfect. So we got two sides already. So I'm gonna connect the front and back. So this one is gonna be the back. So right here, and then let's connect to the other side. Yep, looking good. And then let's connect the front so we have a good foundation here. Yay, we got it done. All right, so let's add the bottom piece. So this is the bottom piece. So let's flip it over. And I think, oops. No, sorry. So this is the bottom piece. All right, so go like this. Yep. Yay, we got this here. So let's add this one to the back. So, yep, looking good. Okay, all right, let's move all the pieces to the front. And then this one, we're just gonna pop it to the face. And then this one right here. And then here. We're almost done here. All right, so these three, just very simple. Just lay onto the top, 2, and then 3. And then we're gonna add this one. So it should look like this onto the top to secure it. All right, and then these two right here, so you can see, just adding to the bottom. All right, so we have a little pumpkin onto the top. Let's add those pieces. All right, so let's build a little pumpkin onto the top. So let's use this one and the connector right here. So this goes to the front, just like so. And then this one to the back. Yep, looking good. And then adding these two little ones to the side. On one side and then the other side. Yep, that looks right. And then we're gonna add this one to the top. Oops, go sideways. So right here, just like so. And then this one. And then we're gonna add this one onto the top. And then this tiny one right here. And then we're gonna add this one. Let me see. So it goes this way, I believe. Yeah. Okay, so insert it this way. Yay! So let's add it to the Pikachu top. Just right here. And then just slide it through. Yay! We got the Pikachu on the top. Alright, so now I'm gonna show you how to switch it. Alright, so I'm gonna show you how to switch the head, right? Alright, so let's take out the head gently. Alright. So we're gonna need this pink piece right here, right? Alright, so leaving this whole thing. Alright, so we're gonna take this one out. Alright, so now we took that one out and we're gonna add this one onto the Pikachu to the bottom. So because the piece is even front and back, so either way. Yep. Okay, so just slide it in like this. Now it's very easy to just top it to the top now. Yep. Just like so. Now you can have the two options. You can have the Pikachu onto the top or the hat onto the top. Alright, so I hope you enjoyed this video and make this cute 3D perlers with Pikachu, Kirby, and Pumpkin. And tag me on Instagram for a special shout out. And I'll see you guys next time. Happy Halloween. Bye. Thank you so much for watching my video. And don't forget to subscribe my channel, like, comment, and share. Thank you.